Hello, welcome back to BenSushi Live Noding. Continuing with our idea of being able to control nodes using Node. Here I have this node setup created using Sverchok add-on in Blender. Basically, I'm gonna use this grease pencil and resample it and get the positions and then kind of arrange these nodes to kind of follow this grease pencil. So this is actually happening in real time. I think I can have two of these, and so they are currently happening on the same node tree. You can always change that behavior. So you see it's happening in real time. I can like quickly draw something here like a spiral, and it's gonna update. The position actually matter. The position in 3D will reflect here in 2D, which is I think pretty interesting, even though it's not common things to happen in Blender. But this is actually a good study. So here, what's really happening, if I break it down, is I'm really just tell Blender using Sverchok add-on to look into node groups with name node tree, which is this guy right here, of course, and then look at the nodes with name box. So this is what's important. So it's basically collecting nodes that which has name box. Of course, this is all box node, and there are actually more box nodes there. And what I did here, just typing some bunch of locations X and Y, because this is just a node editor is just like a 2D. So for each of the box, just change the locations into to match the point positions of grease pencil resampled. And we don't actually need this. And so what's happening with the grease pencil side here? The usual grease pencil and then resampling. You can do this by using Control P and then just type this guy right here. I'm gonna talk about this macro at some point. This macro and this macro. It's very, very interesting. And so grease pencil being resampled in real time for each frame, and type in all the points, join all the points, and then I have this, I think I have some kind of scaling, and this is an offset. Type it all into the location. So it's actually like the procedure itself very, very simple, and you can certainly do this using Python codes. And if you're like very familiar with Python codes, eventually you're gonna create some kind of interface, and the interface will be something that you can modify like this very, very easily. So this is what I really like with nodes. We don't need to code the interface. You just prototype things very, very quickly, and then once you're happy, and then if you want this to be more efficient and faster, then of course you turn it into a script or like a Python code, and you're gonna have like a unique interface that you build yourself. But here, this is like a really, really quick and easy to do, and perhaps you can really like play around with this idea and kind of control your nodes, whatever you like. So there you go. That's a blend and nodes. Very, very simple and very easy. Gonna offset it to the side and gonna take a screenshot. Okay, hopefully this is useful and interesting. Let me know what you think, and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Bye.